Umndeni, izihlobo, abangani nozakwabo bakaDumke bathe ndlelanhle kuleli qhawekazi ebelaziwa kakhulu ngokuba nesibindi nangobuholo obuqotho. Udlule emhlabeni ngemuva kokuxinwa isifo somdlavuza isikhathi eside.
Andinamazwi amaninzi, ndibulela nje ubomi bakhe ngaye nokuphunyuzwa ngoba iintlungu zimtyile uLusanda ngexesha elincinci. Bendingayazi into yobana uLusanda uzawugula unyaka. Siwazamile imizamo, sacetyisa into yobana bhekani ngapha, but kucacile into yakhe yena ibinkulu kakhulu.
Abangani bakhe bathi bengumuntu onothando nonamancoko.
ULusanda will stab you, will do all the funny things, but she was clever. And uyazazi makabalekele iphuka emakathini phina ebali. Sadlala ke nabo ke. Uzawukheka ijokes apha ebaleni. Okanye banga buyakubona into ebuhlungu, ubonisa uthando, uzazokubuza uba Chomi binjini. So uhlelo explain ukuba kabi binjengoba.
Ozakwabo abedlala nabo ebholeni lombhoxo bamkhumbule ngobuholi abenabo akukhombise ngaphakathi enkundleni nangaphandle.
She was a tremendous leader. I do believe that majority of us will speak on behalf of what I'm saying, that she's been phenomenal. She taught us ways how to deal with things in life in general, on and off the field. I think she was a true leader amongst women's rugby in general. She motivated us in so many ways. She leaded us, and she made us believe in a lot of things, you know. So I do think majority of us, we just hurt, man.
Umlando wakhe nomthelela benawo ebholeni lombhoxo labesifazane uyokhunjulwa njalo.
Young as she was, or she is for that matter, she has achieved a lot. And her achievement is not only for herself, not only for her family, but for the community.
UDumke wayengumdlali weqembu lamaBulls abesifazane wavotelwa njengomdlali ovelele wonyaka ebholeni lombhoxo labesifazane eNingizimu Afrika ngo-2022. Wadlalela amabhokobhoko waphinde waba ngukapteni wawo. Lala ngokuthula amaMngwevu uyibekile induku ebandla.